Hey everyone, and welcome to AI for Life. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere these days, but it can feel like a complicated, technical topic. In this video, we're going to break down what AI really is, how it can be used in your work and business, and what you need to know to get started, even if you're not a tech expert. So what is AI? At its core, AI is about making computers think and act more like humans. A big part of that is machine learning. Think of it like teaching a computer to learn from examples, instead of giving it explicit instructions. To do that, it needs data. Lots and lots of data. Data is just information, like customer purchases, website clicks, or even images. You'll hear terms like algorithms and neural networks. Don't worry about the details. Just know they're the tools that allow the computer to learn. It's not just about the tech, it's about using data and machine learning to solve problems. Now, machine learning is powerful, but it's not magic. It's great at finding patterns, but it can't create new ideas or understand context like a human. Finally, deep learning is a more advanced type of machine learning that uses complex neural networks to tackle really complicated tasks, like recognizing faces or understanding speech. Okay, so how do you actually build an AI project? It usually follows a workflow. First, you collect data, then you clean it up, train a model. That's the learning part. Evaluate how well it works, and finally, deploy it. This isn't just for data scientists. Every job function needs to learn to use data. Marketing can use AI to personalize ads. Sales can predict which customers are most likely to buy, and HR can improve hiring processes. When choosing an AI project, start small, mock 'em and damn. What's a problem you're facing that could be solved with data? If you're working with an AI team, remember communication is key. You don't need to understand the technical details, but you do need to be able to explain the problem you're trying to solve. There are lots of tools AI teams use, but you don't need to worry about those unless you're on the technical side. Let's look at some real-world examples. Smart speakers like Alexa and Google Home use AI to understand your voice and respond to your commands. Self-driving cars use AI to perceive their surroundings and navigate roads. Within a company, you might have data scientists building the models, data engineers managing the data, project managers keeping things on track, and business analysts translating business needs into AI solutions. There's an AI transformation playbook. Basically, a plan for integrating AI into your organization. But be aware of the pitfalls. AI can be expensive, it requires a lot of data, and it's not always accurate. Your first step? Identify a small, achievable project. There are major AI applications in almost every industry, from healthcare to finance to manufacturing. And the techniques used range from simple rule-based systems to complex deep learning models. Finally, let's talk about the bigger picture. Artificial intelligence, right used, is incredibly powerful, but it's not without its challenges. We need a realistic view. It's not going to solve all our problems overnight. Discrimination and bias can creep into AI systems if the data they're trained on is biased. Adversarial attacks can trick AI systems into making mistakes. And there are concerns about adverse uses of AI, like creating autonomous weapons. AI also has the potential to impact jobs, but it also creates new opportunities. It's crucial to consider the impact on developing nations and ensure AI benefits everyone. Ultimately, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad. It's up to us to shape its development and ensure it's used responsibly.